Hey everybody, Dr. Turpo here, Black America's Love Doctor, coming to you sharing perspective on love and life. Um, and if you like these videos, please click like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and definitely share these videos with people you think might be interested in the topics that we discuss. So without further ado, I will go ahead and read the question I have for this evening. And she says, Dear Dr. Turpo, I am a 40-year-old divorced female in love with a 26-year-old married man. Ooh, spicy. I knew it was not a safe relationship to get caught up in, you think? But I thought it was a safe relationship. I did not think I would be more in love with him than my previous husband, but I am. When we were together, I was the princess, his queen. And of course, the sex was great. Can I be whipped? Possibly. Suddenly, he does not call me or answer my emails. I'm concerned and hurt. It has been over 30 days since he last emailed me. I'm still wanting him and waiting for him to reach out to me. I miss him and I kind of want to move on, but keep thinking of him. I have tried reading, visiting friends, chat rooms, and single websites, and dating sites. Nothing seems to work. I know deep down inside I could never trust him with my feelings again. But I wish I could just chat with him one more time for some closure. I miss him. What else can I do to get on with my life? All righty. So your married boyfriend has broken your heart. Okay. So let me just say, you know what? I am sorry for your heartbreak. Many people who experience in love, they've experienced heartbreak, so I know that it's not a good feeling. So I am sorry for your heartbreak. But I would recommend that you just need to go ahead, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and you need to get on with your life. It's going to take some time. It doesn't happen quickly, but you have to move forward, get on with your life. Some different things you can do, exercises, you can go around, you can gather up all the memorabilia, trinkets, souvenirs, anything that reminds you of him, any stuffed animals he gave you, pictures of him, clothing, anything item that reminds you of him, and you need to discard, get rid of, throw away, dump, burn any of these things. Make a ritual of it. I think that's real helpful. That kind of help you because rituals are exercises that human beings do so that they can move forward, to help them transition to new states of life. That's what rituals are about. So make a ritual out of it. And then you need to go out, you need to spend time with friends. Even if you don't feel like it, even if you want to curl up and be depressed and watch TV and just mope and wallow, you need to force yourself to go out with friends and take invitations. Any invitations that you get from friends, you need to take those invitations, even if you don't feel like it. You need to not wallow and be sad and be depressed. Do not do depression. Do not cooperate with depression. So that would be my recommendation to you. You need to keep circulating. You need to keep yourself out there, meeting new people. No, people say, well, no, I need to spend some time with myself and get over and work on myself first before I get back out there. Well, that's just bullshit. Get back out there. It helps speed up the healing process. Go ahead and meet new people. That'll help heal this process. Don't listen to that whole wallowing perspective that people will tell you in the name of getting yourself together first. So no, just get back out there and start meeting some people. It's amazing how quickly it can help the healing process when you meet someone else. So go ahead and do that. And then keep in mind that the next guy that you choose, I would highly recommend that he not be married. Novel idea. But yes, he does not need to be married. Period. Okay, smart people, you have to set up for success. Let's put it this way. Set up for success. And smart people set up for success. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Don't set up for failure. You're getting involved, getting to know, falling in love, having sex with a married man is setting up for failure. You know that. Maybe you were hoping it would turn into something else, but that is setting up for failure. Smart people don't set up for failure. Smart people set up for success. So the way you set up for success, number one, don't get involved with a married man. Smart people don't get involved with married people. Smart people don't cheat on their spouses. Okay. So if they're smart, now you can say they're smart in other areas, but they're not being smart about their relationship part of their lives. Okay. So, and they don't do this because they know that the potential that that relationship has to grow. And if that relationship, if that outside relationship grows, then you have the potential of destroying a family. Like we need that in our community. We do not need the families to be destroyed. Families need to be formed and built and fortified. So that's what needs to happen, not destroying families. And anytime you get involved with a married person, you are participating in the destruction of a family. So don't be a part of that. Don't be a home wrecker. All right, and be smart. Next time you entertain anybody, make sure that they are single. And if he hesitates to tell you that he's single, then as soon as you find out, you need to go as quick as possible. Okay. So hopefully, your boyfriend has stopped. Sounds like he has stopped communicating with you. Hopefully, he has seen the light, and he has admitted that he's gone too far with you, and that he needs to retreat from you and not have anything to do with you or to speak to you anymore. You want to have that conversation and have closure and speak to him, and he doesn't owe you shit. So don't let your ability to move forward be dependent on whether or not he entertains you to give you closure. Fuck that. You just go ahead and you move on anyway. You create your own closure by doing the things that I'm telling you, getting rid of things, creating rituals, going out, meeting people, not wallowing in your loneliness. You get your own closure. You close that thing off yourself. Don't put your destiny in someone else's control. You're waiting on him to have a conversation with him so you can have this closure thing. No, man, go ahead, create your closure, move on. Okay, and he doesn't owe you anything, and he doesn't have to give you that. And you're going to be dependent on whether or not he gives you that. If that's the case, if he decides never to have another conversation with you, then you will never have closure, and you will use that as an excuse not to move on. So just move on. Create your closure. Close that shit. Move on. Suck it up. Take it up as a punishment that you actually shouldn't have gotten involved with a married man anyway. You know that. You know that. So hopefully this is a hard-ass lesson that you have learned, and you will move on. I'm saying this in love. I know I'm saying it strong, but it is in love. So, you don't need that closure conversation. It'll only draw out your pain. You'll be disappointed and be confusing and all that. So you don't need to do all that. So you just need to accept it and move on, and just move forward with your life, but be much smarter next time. Okay? It's not tragic if you learn something from the whole experience. So just keep in mind that next time, married people are off limits. Harmonious wishes.